Hey guys, Andrew Coster with Pit Boss Pellet Grills. Today we're at the Danson's Training Center and I'm going to be showing you part replacement and maintenance on a Pit Boss pellet grill. So for this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace your grill's RTD. So we've already removed our hopper and clipped our zip ties, as well as moved over a grate to give us a little bit of room inside the grill. Since all that's been done, we are then going to go ahead and remove our RTD wires from the controller by just loosening the two flathead screws that hold the wires in place. Once you have given those screws a slight turn, the wires will come right out. From there, we're going to go back inside the grill and we're going to remove the screws holding the RTD plate in place. There are two Phillips head screws that will be removed, and once those screws are removed, the plate will slide right out. From there, we're going to go ahead and remove the screws and nuts that hold your RTD in place. In order to do that, you can just simply use your finger to hold the nut in place while unscrewing the Phillips head screw. Once the screws and nuts have been removed, you can then just pull on the RTD and the wires will come following. In order to replace the RTD, we're just going to do all of that in reverse.